Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to manage your post visibility on your TikTok account. So first thing you have to do here is just go open the TikTok application, and here is the look. When you are in the home section, you just need to go into your profile sections. In this profile section, you just need to go click this three small button here, and after that go into the settings and privacy. In the setting privacy, you just need to scroll down until you found a activity center. In this activity center, you just need to click it until the menu is pop up on your screen. And after that, you just need to go click manage post visibility. Now you can choose several posts of your TikTok account that you want to keep by yourself, that only you who can see it. You just need to click choose the same content that you have, the same content that you want to keep. Okay, I already have these three. You just need to click next, and after that you can just click this only me, and now you can click update to confirm, and after that you just need to go into the only me to check what video that only you who can access. You can do the same by the rest of the video. You just need to click it, and after that go click next, and you can choose what audience that you want to select and go click update. So that's the way how to manage the post visibility on your TikTok account. If you find this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.